Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee for beginners. First, select fresh, whole coffee beans for superior flavor. Grinding them right before brewing is crucial for freshness. Always use filtered water. It makes a significant difference in taste. These initial steps lay the foundation for a delicious cup, ensuring you start with the best possible ingredients. For a standard drip coffee, measure 2 tablespoons of ground coffee for every 6 ounces of water. Place a paper filter into your coffee maker's basket, then add your measured coffee grounds. Finally, pour cold, filtered water into the machine's reservoir. Press the brew button and let the machine do its work, preparing a perfect cup. To truly enhance your coffee experience, regular cleaning of your coffee maker is essential for consistent taste. Store your coffee beans in an airtight container, away from direct light and heat, to preserve their freshness. Don't be afraid to experiment with various roasts and grind sizes. Finding your perfect combination is part of the fun. Once brewed, serve your coffee immediately to enjoy its peak flavor and aroma. Feel free to customize your drink with milk, sugar, or other additions to suit your personal taste. Remember, the best coffee is the one you enjoy most. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.